Hello there. Welcome to Elevetus Technologies. We are your number one IT solution company. We deal with sales of IT devices and laptop repair.
We offer the best laptops for your office.
Don't worry, we have got you covered. With friendly pricing,
we at Laptop Clinic can help you with upgrading your laptop, e.g. RAM, HDD to SSD. Getting the latest and genuine laptops at affordable cost. Best customer support. Best online consultancy. We have over 10 years of experience helping companies and customers. Online shopping support. Customer guidance. Laptop repair services. And achieving their personal and business goals.